friends, today we are going to be doing our first step of our Faith Ringgold inspired quilts. These are going to be quilts about us. So all along the border of our quilt is going to be some of our favorite things. But first we've got to create the border of our quilt. So the first thing we're going to do, we just need a piece of paper and a pencil for now. And then you can always grab some markers or crayons or colored pencils to color in your pictures. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a rectangle inside my paper. So when I draw this rectangle, I'm going to make sure that I'm leaving space around the outside of my piece of paper because that's going to be the border. Please don't worry about making it perfect. You do not have to make it perfect. Faith Ringgold was all about making things not exactly even and perfect and just going with it. So we're going to make our smaller rectangle inside of it, and I'm going to make another little rectangle inside of that. Just creating another little border around the picture that we're going to make in the middle. Now we're going to create our boxes. So at the corners here, I'm going to create one box in each corner just to start. So I have one here, two here, 3, and 4. All right. So now on our smaller edges, we're going to have 4 boxes, and on our bigger sides, we're going to have a couple more. So I'm going to put, actually we're going to have 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5, and then I'm going to put 2 more lines here. My apologies, not 4, we're going to have 5 boxes on our smaller sides. And we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on our longer sides. So 5 boxes on our shorter sides, 6 on our longer sides. So when we're making more lines in the center of these, we add 2 lines, and when we're making more lines in the center of these 2 boxes, we're going to add 3. If you have more, if you have less, it doesn't matter. Don't worry about it. We'll just be filling in those extra boxes with designs. So I'm going to be asking you some questions. And as I ask you these questions, you're going to fill it in one of these boxes. I always like to do every other one because then I'll do some patterns in the boxes around it. But you are welcome to put them where you want as long as they're inside a box. So the first question I have for you is, what is your favorite kind of food? What is your favorite kind of food? I'm going to draw my favorite kind of food in this box here. My favorite kind of food is pizza. That was a tough one because I really like a whole bunch of different kinds of food. But I do love a good piece of pizza. So I'm going to draw my piece of pizza with some drippy cheese on here. So draw your favorite kind of food, and again, it's just going to be a tiny little sketch here. I'm going to add some pepperoni to my pizza. Maybe some steam coming off of my piece of pizza. So it's a hot piece of pizza. Okay, there's my piece of pizza. Add your favorite kind of food, whatever is your favorite kind of food. The next box, and I'm going to skip one here, the next box is going to be your favorite color. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is green. Now you can either write out the word of your favorite color, or you can think of some things that are your favorite color. So I'm going to write the word green here, and when I color it in, I'm going to make sure that I use all different shades of green when I color it in. Again, you can write your favorite color, or you can add something that is your favorite color. Like maybe I would do leaves. Okay, so there's my favorite color, green. Now I'm going to skip another box. Now, what is your favorite sport? Maybe it's your favorite sport to play. Maybe it's your favorite sport to watch. And please remember that dance can be a sport too. So think about what is your favorite and what kind of little image can you draw that represents that sport. I really like softball. I played softball growing up, so I'm going to draw my little softball here. Maybe I'll add a bat behind it too. Again, think of a picture that represents the sport that you like. Okay. And remember, you can pause this video at any time. I know I'm going really quickly, so pause it when you need to. So the next box I'm going to fill is going to be my favorite, my favorite fruit. How about your favorite fruit? I really like lemons. I know lemons are kind of sour and tart, but I love them in different kind of foods and different kind of sweets. So I'm going to do like a little lemon slice here. Maybe I'm going to draw a big lemon. So what's your favorite fruit? You kind of have these little bumps on them. Maybe I'm going to have some more little lemon slices coming in from the corners here. What's your favorite kind of fruit? You can say, Miss Kapowski, forgot to do every other here. I have a couple more boxes here. I'm not going to worry about that. All right, for my next one, how about what is your favorite animal? Guess what? Cats are my favorite animal. I have 2 cats at home. They are my babies. I love them, so I'm going to draw some cats here. But again, you can draw whatever kind you want. Whatever's your favorite. I'm just going to have a cat kind of peeking from the top here, from the bottom, I'm sorry. Draw a little nose and some whiskers. And some cute little eyes. Little kitty cat. So add your favorite animal in one of these boxes. The next one is, what is your favorite season? Now, a season could be summer, winter, spring, or fall. Summer, winter, spring, or fall. Which one's your favorite? Do you like when it's hot in the summertime? Do you like when all the flowers start to bloom in the spring? Do you like when it's cold in the winter with snow? I personally, my favorite is fall. So I am going to be drawing a bunch of fall leaves. So draw some leaves in here because fall is my favorite. And when I color it, I'll make sure I do a bunch of different fall colors to let everybody know that my favorite is fall. Some leaves kind of peeking in from the corner. They can kind of be going off the paper too. Okay, some fall leaves in my box there for my favorite season. So far we have our favorite food, favorite color, favorite sport, favorite fruit, favorite animal, and favorite season. The next one I'm going to do is, what is your favorite toy? What is your favorite toy? My favorite toy growing up was a teddy bear named Doggy Bear. So I'm going to draw a Doggy Bear in here. Doggy Bear was my favorite. The reason why his name is Doggy Bear is because I thought he was a dog, and my mom knew he was a bear, and so it was this big struggle where I could not admit that it was a bear. I definitely thought it was a dog. So that's how he ended up with his name. He had a little bow tie on too, so I'm going to draw his little bow tie. And again, I'll draw his little nose and eyes. And he was really fuzzy. That's why I think I thought he was a dog. So I'm going to add those little, make him fuzzy. Okay. The next one is going to be, what is your favorite holiday? Do you like Christmas? Do you like Halloween? Do you like Valentine's Day? Do you like Easter. There's a whole bunch of different holidays you can pick from, and think of something you can draw that you really like. I think because Valentine's Day is coming up, I do really like Valentine's Day because we get to have a special day where we give everybody that we love some extra love and let them know how much we love them. So I think I'm going to draw a bunch of hearts for Valentine's Day. I do really like Halloween too. So if you want to draw some pumpkins or draw a Christmas tree. Okay, draw something that represents what your favorite holiday is. Now, I did not do every other one. I skipped one here, so I'm going to add another picture in here for our last question, which is going to be, what is your favorite drink? Do you like water? Do you like soda? Do you like juice? What else? Do you like Capri Suns, juice boxes, milkshakes? My favorite drink is coffee. You will see me with coffee in hand many days. So I'm going to draw a little coffee cup here. A little handle. So it's your favorite drink. Or it could be favorite snack too. It doesn't have to be a drink if you can't think of anything. There we go. All right, now that I have a bunch of my favorite things, if you want to fill in the rest of the boxes with other favorite things, you definitely can. But I think I'm going to fill in my boxes with different kinds of designs. So maybe I'll do stripes in one box. And again, it's up to you what you'd like to do in these boxes, what kinds of designs. Maybe I'm going to draw polka dots. Maybe in my next one, I'm going to do some checkerboard. So I'm going to do lines going one way, and then lines going the other way. Maybe I'm going to do some rectangles. You can think of shapes and different types of lines. Make up whatever kind of patterns you want to fill these boxes. And again, if you have some other favorite things that you want to add, feel free to do so. This is your quilt. I'm going to do some zigzags. I think this one I'm going to do some squares over and over again until I fill my box there. I think in this one I'm going to do some triangles. What else? I think in my next one maybe I'll do some wavy lines. Last one, I'm going to make some lines that kind of go out like I'm drawing a leaf or something. This way too. Okay, to add those patterns there. Now again, if you want to add any more patterns behind your pictures, you can really make it your own. Now once you are done drawing all your favorite things in the border, the next part is coloring them in. If you want to trace it with a black marker first and then color them in, you can, or you can go right ahead and start coloring it. Now it's really important that you bring this picture back with you next class, because we are going to be drawing our image in the center of our quilt. It's going to be the main focus of our picture. That's all about us. So again, once you're done drawing these, you can trace it with the black marker if you want, just to clean up those lines, and then you can color in your pictures. Make it super colorful and fun. Don't forget to do your favorite color, that box, the color that is your favorite color, and have fun with this. Great job, friends.